Hi students, welcome back to the mathematics class. In the previous session, we were discussed how to find the inverse of a matrix by the elementary transformation. So here also we will continue with some more problems on how to find the inverse of a matrix by the elementary transformation. So your given matrix is A equal to 2 3 1 1 2 3 3 1 2. So we have to find the inverse of this matrix. So to find the inverse of a matrix, we should write first A equal to IA. This A is nothing but the given matrix, that is 2 3 1 1 2 3 3 1 2. So this is the given matrix, which is equal to I means nothing but the identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 into A. So what we have to do here is we have to make this matrix as an identity matrix, and we will, by the elementary transformation, we will find some values here, and this will be the your A inverse. So if you take this A this side, that will be the A inverse. So we will continue by the elementary transformation. So first, by the elementary transformation, we have to make this term as 1, these three terms as 0, these three terms as 0, and the middle term as 1 and 1. So first what we will do here is, first make this element as a 1. So to make this element as 1, we have already the second row, this element as 1. So we will interchange the two rows, that is R1 changes to R2, R1 changes to R2. This will be 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2. So this will be 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. So this is, now we have to, with the help of the first row, we can make this as 0 and next this as 0. So that is R1 R2 changes to R2 dash changes to R2 minus R2 dash changes to R2 minus 2R1, R2 minus 2R1, and R3 dash changes to R3 minus 3, R3 minus 3R1, R2 changes to R2 minus 2R1, and R3 dash changes to R3 minus 3R1. So now that is matrix, we are not changing the first row, we can write as it is 1 2 3. So which is equal to 0 1 0 into A. So now you are changing the second row. The second row means R2 minus 2R1, 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 2 will be 1, 3 minus, sorry, this is 3 minus 2 times of 3 minus 2 times of 2, that is 3 minus 4 will be minus 1, 3 minus 4 will be minus 1. So next 1 minus 2 times of 1 minus 2 into 3, 2 3 is 6, 1 minus 6 will be minus 5. So now this 1 minus 0 will be 1, 0 minus 2 will be minus 2, and 0 minus 0 will be 0. So next the third row, that is R3 minus 3R1, R3 is 3 minus 3 will be 0, 1 minus 3 into 2, that is minus 5, and next 2 minus 3 times of 3, that is 3 3 is a 9, 9 minus 2 will be 9, minus 2 will be minus 2, minus 9 will be minus 7. So next, now this 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 3 will be minus 3, 1 minus 0 will be 1, 1 minus 0 will be 1. What we will make here? We will multiply this, we will take this minus from this second row and minus from the third row, that is R2 dash changes to minus 1 into R2 and R3 dash changes to minus 1 into R3. So this will be 1 2 3 0 1 5 0 5 7 0 5 7, which is equal to 0 1 0 minus 1 2 0 0 3 minus 1 into A. So with the help of the second row we will make this element as 0, and with the help of this second row we will make this term as 0, that is R1 dash changes to R1 minus 2 R2 and R3 dash changes to R3 minus 5 R2. So this will be, now you are changing the first row. First row is R1 minus 2 R2. 1 minus 0 is 1, 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 2 into 5, 3 minus 2 5 is a 10, 3 minus 10 will be minus 7, 3 minus 10 will be minus 7, which is equal to, now 0 minus 2 into minus 1, this is plus 2, so 1 minus 2 to the 4, 1 minus 4 will be minus 3, so next 0 minus 0 will be 0 into A. So next, now you can write the second row as it is, 0 1 5 minus 1 2 0. So next you have to change the third row, that is R3 dash changes to R3 minus 5 R2. 0 minus R3, 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 5 is 0. So next 7 minus 5 into 5, 25 minus 25 plus 7 is minus 18. So now this 0 minus 5 minus into minus 5 into minus 1, that is plus 5. Next 3 minus 5 times of 2, so that is 10, 3 minus 10 will be minus 7, so next 0, that is minus 1 minus 0, that is minus 1. So next what we will do here is, we have to make this element as 1, so we will change, that is R3 dash changes to minus 1 by 18 into R3. So now we will change the third row, that is, we are not changing the first row, we can write as it is 0 1 5 0 0 1. So we are multiplying with 1 by 18. So this is 2 minus 3 0, this is minus 1 2 0, so this will be 5 by 18 minus 5 by 18, so this is minus 5 by 18, this is plus 7 by 18, and this is 1 by 18, minus 5 by 18, 7 by 18 and 1 by 18. So next we have to make this term as 0, this term as 0. So with the help of the row third, it is R1 dash changes to R1 plus 7 R3 and R2 dash changes to R2 minus 5 R3, R2 minus 5 R3. So this will be, so now we are changing the first row. So you are changing the first row, that is 1 plus 0 will be 1, 0 plus 0 will 0, minus 7 plus 7, that is 0. So now here 2 plus 7 times of minus 5 by 18. So this is minus 35 by 18, minus 35 by 18 and 18 to 36. 36 minus 35 by 18 will be 1 by 18. 36 minus 35 will be 1 by 18. So next minus 3 plus 7 into 7 times of 7 divided by 18. So 49 divided by 18. 18 3 is a 54. 54 minus 54 plus 49. Minus 54 plus 49 will be minus 5 by 18. 0 plus 7 by 18 is 7 by 18. 7 by 18. So next you are changing the second row. Second row means 0 minus 0 will be 0. 1 minus 0 will be 1. And 5 minus 5 will be 0. So here minus 1 minus 5 times of minus 5 by 18. This is minus 1 minus, this will minus 18 plus 25. Minus 18 plus 25 will be again 7 by 18. 7 by 18. So next this is 2 times of minus 5 into 7 by 18. So this is 35. 36 minus 35, that is 1 by 18. 1 by 18. So next 0 minus 5 by 18 is minus 5 by 18. Minus 5 by 18. So this will be, so now the last term as it is 0 0 1. So this is minus 5 by 18. This is 7 by 18. And this is 1 by 18 into A. So this identity matrix will be 1. If you take this A, this will be A inverse equal to 1 by 18 minus 5 by 18 and 7 by 18. So this is 7 by 18, 1 by 18 minus 5 by 18. So this is minus 5 by 18, 7 by 18 and 1 by 18. So this is your A inverse for the given matrix A. So next we will solve another problem, that is A equal to 1 1 3, 1 3 minus 3 minus 2 minus 4 minus 4. So we have to find the inverse of this matrix. So to find the inverse we will write A equal to IA. So your given matrix will be 1 1 3, 1 3 minus 3 minus 2 minus 4 minus 4, which is equal to, and I is nothing but the identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So into matrix A. So next what we have to do here is we have to make this term, these three terms as 0 and these three terms as 0. So lastly to make this as identity matrix, and by the elementary transformation we will get some values here. So that will be your A inverse. So first we will perform the elementary transformation, that is R2 dash changes to R2 minus R1 and R3 dash changes to R3 plus 2R1. R3 plus 2R1. So this will be, you are not changing the first row, you can write as it is, which is equal to 1 0 0. So R2 minus R1, that is 1 minus 1 is 0. And 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 3 will be minus 6. So 0 minus 1 will be minus 1, 1 minus 0 will be 1 and 0 minus 0 will be 0. Next R3 plus 2 R1, minus 2 plus 2 will be 0 and minus 4 plus 2 will be minus 2. So next minus 4 plus 2 3 is a 6. Minus 4 plus 2 into 3, 6 is 6 minus 4 will be plus 2. So next 0 plus 2 will be plus 2, 0 plus 0 will be 0 and 1 plus 0 will be 1. So next what we have to do here is we can multiply 1 by 2 to the second row and 1 by 2 to the third row, that is R2 dash changes to 1 by 2 R2 and R3 dash changes to 1 by 2 R3. So 1 by 2 R3. So that is, we are not changing the first row, we can write as it is 1 1 3 1 1 3, which is equal to 1 0 0 1 0 0 into A. So you are changing the second row. Second row is 0, 2 divided by 2 is 1, and minus 6 divided by 2 is minus 3. So minus, this will be minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0. Now third row, this is 0, this is minus 1, 1. So this is 1 0 1 by 2. So now what we have to do here is, we have to make this term as 0 and this term as 0. So we will make use of the second row. So R1 dash changes to R1 minus R2, and R3 dash changes to R3 plus R2, R3 plus R2. So this will be now, now you are changing the first row. You can R1 minus R2, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 3 minus of minus 3, that is 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 3 is 6, which is equal to, so R1 minus R2, 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 2. So next, 0 minus 1 by 2, 0 minus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2, and 0 minus 0 is 0. So you can write the second row as it is, 0 1 minus 3 minus 1 by 2 1 by 2 0. So next we have to change the third row now. Third row means that is R3 plus R2, 0 plus 0. So R3 plus R2, 0 plus 0 0, minus 1 plus 1 0, 1 plus minus 3, 1 plus minus 3 will be minus 2. So minus 2. So here 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2 will be plus 1 by 2, 0 plus 1 by 2 will be 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 plus 0 will be 1 by 2. So next, now to make this term as 1, so we will change, that is R3 dash changes to minus 1 by 2 into R3. So this will be 106, which is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 0, minus 1 by 2 1 by 2 0, 0 1 minus 3. So 0 0 1. So this will be minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So next, with the help of the third row, we can make this 2 as 0. So that is R1 dash changes to R1 minus 6 R3, and R2 dash changes to R2 plus 3 R3. So this will be, so you are changing the first row. You can write, that is R1 minus 6 R3, R1 minus 6, that will be 1. So 0 minus 0 will be 0, and 6 minus 6 will be 0. So now 3 by 2 minus 6 times of minus 1 by 4. So this will be plus 3 by 2, 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 will be 6 by 2, that is nothing but 3. That is nothing but 3. So next, minus 1 by 2 minus 6 times of minus 1 by 4. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 will be 2 by 2, that is nothing but 1. Next, 0 minus 6 times of minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 2. That is 3 by 2. So next, Now the second row. Second row is R2 plus R3, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 3 into 0 is 1, and minus 3 plus 3 is 0. So next minus. So next, that is R2 plus 3RT, 3R3. R2 plus 3R3 is nothing but minus 1 by 2, plus 3 times of minus 1 by 4. So this will be minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4. So into 2 into 1. So this is minus 2 minus 3 divided by 4. Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 by 4. Minus 5 by 4. Next is 1 by 2 minus 3 times of minus 1 by 4. 1 by 2 plus 3 times of minus 1 by 4, that is 1 by 2 plus, that is minus 3 by 4 into 2 into 1. So 2 minus 3 divided by 4 is minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4. Next is 0 plus 3 into minus 1 by 4, that is minus 3 by 4, that is R2 plus 3 R3. 0, R2 is 0, 0 minus 1 by 4 into 3, that is minus 3 by 4. So next, that is third row, that is, we can write as it is 0, 0, 1, minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. So this is the identity matrix, its value will be 1. We can take this A this side, that will be A inverse equal to 3, 1, 3 by 2, minus 5 by 4, minus 1 by 4, minus 3 by 4, minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. So this is your A inverse. So we have solved the examples to find the inverse of a matrix by elementary transformations. So in the next class we will start with the system of linear equations. So thank you. We will continue in the next video.